What's up, guys? Thank you for joining us on another episode of the Warhouse Gym on the tutorial of the war machines and some of the other things. Today I have a special guest with me, Mel. She's one of our local badasses. She's a future women's physique competitor, a general manager of a neighborhood gym. I will not disclose that information because that would be in conflict of interest. But Mel, how do people find you on Instagram?
Yeah, Sweet Victory Mel. Just Melanie here. Just awesome, excited to be here.
Yeah, awesome. So we're going to demonstrate today a very special machine, the very first one I actually built and created for the Warhouse about a year ago. Again, worked in the middle of the night. So here it is. It is the heavyweight belt squat. This is a monstrous machine that I created. Very similar to other designs in the market, just a little bit heavier duty with machinery and overall usability, comfortability, and platform non-slip tread improved from other models. Very, very large, easy, nice handle to hold on and stabilize, as well as multifunctional grip and longer horns so you can load heavier weight for some of you big dudes and women, and any strong ladies too. All right. One of the other things that I want to bring to attention that we do here at the Warhouse, not only improving the entire experience and functionality of a machine. And so we build everything in-house. Most of you are probably familiar with these are what are the general industry standard for belt squats. It's a nylon strap. You use it to essentially tie down truckloads. It's great and sad. And anyone who's ever used these in different gyms and other places, you're familiar. I don't have to tell you how much they can possibly dig into your hips when you want to go a little heavier. They're not very comfortable, and they can dig in quite a bit as you're squatting down. It can really be uncomfortable, make it difficult to actually perform a movement. And it's meant to be safe by not loading your spine and allowing you to put the weight across to your lower back and hips to demonstrate. This doesn't help much. So I wanted to create something better. So I created the Cloud Belt. This is a design we put together and built here. It has a large, low spine brace. It has multiple ribs on the inside, as well as the high compression upholstery foam that we've demonstrated before with marine layer vinyl, as well as having the elongated pad with each arm's stitched inside, so they ride along the inside of your hips with comfort and not digging in or burning. You can set it up for different heights depending on your height and your size of your waist. So you can actually be able to use the machine without having to stack other equipment on it and make it actually more of a dangerous maneuver. So with that being said, we're gonna jump into it. Shall we?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, Mel. Okay. We're going to a nice squat stance and down. Perfect. Beautiful. Nice. Get some reps in it. There you go. Fantastic. Able to unlock one side and set it down. Very simple and easy to use. Okay, let's do it. So this is just purely for demonstration purposes. So now one awesome thing about the belt squat machine is it's multi-purpose and multifunctional, mostly because the design of the wide stance platforms, as well as the ability to utilize it with a hand grip and pull bar. So you can do straight bars, the A grip, inside, outside, different things like that. We'll demonstrate right now. One good way to do it is this is a fantastic RDL variation that is super great to perform on this machine here. Great depth, yeah, excellent. Easy money. Okay, good, yep, and then we just rock it back. Fantastic, cool, awesome, well done. Okay, and then one of my favorites I'll demonstrate myself is one good one that you can do also for your back, for a bent over row. So we can bring it in, just like Mel performed here. Come down, and then stretch and pull. Fantastic isolation. Great control. And some of us who have bigger backsides. There we go. Excellent. It's a good one. So we're gonna show you a secret movement that we do with this machine for some advanced training. Mel will perform it if you got it. So with this one, this is what we're going to be part of a preview, I guess, if you will, of some of the training content that's going to be coming out with some of our certified and educated professionals, as well as trainers, as pro coaches. So this movement right here is a wide stance sumo style reverse RDL. Let me show you. So the key points here is that she's going to be wide with her feet, okay, on her stance. So go ahead and set it up. Okay. As you come into it, remember, set it up. So go ahead and take the weight and lift it up. Prepare yourself, okay? And as I was showing you before, what we're gonna do, instead of targeting the outside of the glutes, we're gonna rotate and pivot our heels to the outside and the toes in. So as you stretch forward, you're targeting a lot more of your inner tie-in. Yep. How's that? Oh yeah, there you go. With this movement and her foot position, it allows to rotate your ankle slightly outward, creating a rotation in your hip, okay? And by completing that, here you are able to hit more of your tie-in target on the inside, as well as an increased hamstring recruitment of the muscle on the flex. A little bit more of an advanced movement, but it feels fantastic, and it's a great demonstration for some of the new stuff that we're gonna be presenting. So things like that. Appreciate you guys. So remember, guys, when you want to check out one of the machines, don't hesitate to ask anyone in-house. We're all community here, and I appreciate you for watching all the way to the end. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can find out when we come out with more awesome shit. All right? Thank you. Have a good night.